Hey guys, it's Mashaba, and today's video is gonna be my everyday makeup routine, which is basically this shit on my face right here. So just my makeup routine when I wanna look presentable that day and I don't wanna scare children. So it's like kind of an everyday, but an everyday when I give a shit about how I look. So if you wanna know how to get this shit on my face and put it on your face, then just keep on watching. So first, I'm starting off with the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I love this stuff so much. It feels like a coconut, it feels and it smells like a coconut jizzed on your face, but like in the most relaxing way possible. I can't even describe it to you. You should definitely buy this shit. Next, I'm gonna use the ERBORIAN Cc cream, and this shit is magical. It basically comes out white like cum, and after that you basically rub it on your face and then it matches your skin tone. So it literally matches any skin tone, which is really cool, and it looks like you're not wearing makeup, but it does give good coverage. Now I'm going to use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to put that on the problem areas, which is basically my entire face. My entire face looks like a problem area. I know, that's like too real. I know, I can relate, man. So I'm putting it like everywhere, but not too much, just because it kind of feels gross to have like a shit ton of concealer the entire day, if you know what I mean. Then I'm going to put that on my under eyes, which needs a lot of help because I'm pulling a lot of all-nighters here. Now I'm gonna powder my face using powder, and I use baby powder. I ain't even gonna include a close-up of this. This is just too ratchet for me. I use baby powder because it's affordable as fuck, and because it doesn't break me out, it doesn't clog my pores. It's made for a baby's ass, literally, and I have super sensitive skin, and it does make my makeup last pretty well. Okay, so don't judge me. This is just a tutorial. I mean, doesn't mean you have to follow this. This definitely doesn't mean it's the right way, but yeah, so I use a bigger brush to put it all over my face and a more precise brush just for the under eyes, just because that always gets cakey for everyone. Now I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit, and I'm just going to go into the lightest of the darkest shades, and I'm going to just run that into the crease of my eye just to create more dimension and so I look less dead as fuck, because I'm always dead on the inside. Now I'm just gonna flatten that same brush I used just so I can use it on the lower lash line, because I ain't got the time to get more brushes. So yeah, and fuck brushes again, because now I'm just gonna go into my highlight and put it on my eyeballs, because that'll just make the eyes look less dead and open up the eyes. And I'm also gonna put it in the inner corner of my finger. That looks really uncomfortable, but it's worth it, man. Beauty's pain. Then I'm gonna use SMASHBOX Always On Liquid Eyeliner. I can't talk. This eyeliner is the best eyeliner I've ever used in my whole life. I love this eyeliner so much. This makes my Stila eyeliner look like shit, and that's saying a lot because the Stila eyeliner is pretty bomb as fuck too. This is just way better. So I just try to extend a line, make it end towards my eyebrow, and then I try to drag it in towards the inner corner and fill it in. Now I'm going to use the JORDANA Easyliner for the eyes. I don't even know how to read this shit. But I'm tight lining my eyes, which is basically lining the inner rim of my eyes. That looks really uncomfortable and honestly was super hard to film. This is like next level rocket science shit. So please applaud me for being in the frame, okay? You gotta give me credit here, man. It was really hard. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I use the Shiseido eyelash curler. Shiseido, so fancy, but yeah, I got it as a gift. I would never buy that with my own money. I'm too broke for that. But it's honestly an amazing eyelash curler. I recommend it if you give enough shits about splurging on eyelash curlers. Now I'm gonna use my Benefit RollerLash, and this shit is also fire as fuck. This is a really good mascara. I don't think I've ever met anyone who doesn't like this shit. This shit is so good, and the packaging is really cute. And I don't know, I have literally no complaints about it. It's one of the few mascaras that doesn't clump throughout the day. Now I'm gonna brush through my eyelashes. Yes, I have eyelashes, kind of, maybe. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, and I'm gonna just fill it in. I like to use kind of like brush strokes. I like to work towards the end of my eyebrows. Yes, eyebrow sperm cells, who knows. And then I like to kind of make hair-like strokes, so I like to go really light and then just fill in all the bald spots. Well, bald spots, more like my entire eyebrow is a bald spot, but you get what I mean. I also like to go lighter on the front of the eyebrows just because I feel like the darkest is in the tail, and then I brush it out just to make it look a little less drawn in. Now I'm gonna use my favorite product, probably of all time. This is the Burt's Bees blush. This shit is so fire. It makes me feel like the cutest bitch on the street. Like, honestly, you need to get this. You need to get this in your life, man. Like, any blush, like, fuck the high-end blush and just go with the Burt's Bees. Now I'm going to use the lightest shade of the Kat Von D again. Use that same brush because that brush I basically use for everything. This is the e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm putting it on my fat-ass forehead just to make that shit look a little smaller. And then I'm just going to put it throughout the entire perimeter of my face. I'm too lazy to actually, like, contour the hollows on my cheeks just because, like, I don't know, I just don't feel like it, especially for like a more natural everyday type of look. I don't think you need chiseled cheekbones for that. That's too much work. Now I'm going to use the MILANI Make It Last setting spray. This shit is also fire. This is basically a video using my favorite products, and after that, while my face is semi-wet kind of, I'm going to use the Essence Pure Nude highlighter and put that on the bridge of my nose and my cheekbones and just blend it out. Again, who needs brushes? That's too much work. You gotta wash them, so I'm going to use my hands. Now, lastly, I'm going to use MAC's Velvet Teddy, the most natural and pretty lipstick you'll ever use. Thank you guys so much for watching. So if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!